Hey guys, welcome to Stockings Collector. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing this pretty little package that I have here and also do a quick review to see how well these tights hold up, how they fit, feel, and all of that. So before I get on to that one, I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit about these knee highs that I'm wearing. So these particular knee highs, they are Berkshire knee highs. The color that I'm wearing is ivory, and I just wanted to let you guys know that these come in very handy to wear under trousers, especially if you want to wear heels and you don't want to wear like a heavy sock. So, and also if you don't want to wear a full pantyhose tights or full pantyhose or even a stay up, thigh highs, whatever. These are very quick and easy to wear. You just pull them up and there you go, off you go. And they do have a nice little sheer in them as well. So, it's just a very quick and easy hosiery that you can add to your collection for everyday wear. And also the good thing about them is that you can wear them in the summertime as well under your trousers, or you can wear them with short skirts if that's what you prefer. Alright, also they do come in many different colors as well. Just wanted to put that in. Alright, so moving along to the tights that's in the package. I'm going to remove it. And as you guys can see, it came in this beautiful packaging. I'm going to show you guys the other pattern on the side. There it is. Very pretty. Love the packaging. Love the bag as well. But this one came in the mail. Alright, so let's open it and see what's inside. So I had this for a few days now, but I wanted it to save it so that we can share in the excitement together upon opening this package. Alright, so I've just used my little scissors to cut it. What was supposed to come? Alright, ooh, very pretty. You guys can tell me if you like or if you don't like. This is a first for me. I mean, in terms of the pattern and the colorways. So this particular tights, they are from a company in Los Angeles. It's called Hansel by Basel. I believe I did another review of this tight company before in the past. Or maybe a few weeks back. So this particular tight comes in the gray, black, and like a really pretty off-white. So it has like a really nice floral design on it. So the temperature up here in New York, temperature is dropping, unfortunately, and it's getting into tight season, as we call it. So it's cold. And I think it's time to pull out those heavy deniers or heavy wool socks because we're definitely going to be needing that. Alright, so this particular tights retails Canadian for $36 and in US it's $32. So I'm going to have a little bit more detail on my blog regarding the tight, regarding the waistband, cotton gusset, and the materials of the fiber, the fabrics that are in the tights. So you guys can check back later to see what the blog has. Alright, so let's open it up. Oh wow! Love the design. Look at that. That is so pretty. So pretty. I love the little detail here. Look at that. That is very pretty. It has a white crotch. Oh my goodness. Okay. Very pretty. Alright, so I'm going to go inside. So you guys saw the packaging it came in. This is their packaging that it comes in. And again, the company is Hansel from Basel. has this little packaging in one of the foot areas, and this is just basically to keep the shape of the tights. There it is. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like with this outfit. Without this, of course. Alright, so okay, so this particular tie, you can see it has a reinforced waistband on it. I love the seams. I love the finished seams on the inside. Inside is so soft. I think this is like the softest gusset, the best quality gusset I have ever felt. Really, this has the best quality gusset. And for some of you that like to wear no panties with your tights, I would do it with this one. Only because this feels mighty soft and very natural, very beautiful. This, look at that, beautiful. And the good thing, yeah, this is beautiful. All right, so they don't have a label, which is what I like to see in tights, only because it helps me identify which tights is which. But I think something as special as this, I will definitely remember Hansel from Basel. Such an amazing pattern. It doesn't have a reinforced, it's just a single seam toe on this. So this is like a little heavier tight, perfect for the weather that we're having now. I'm gonna give it a little stretch before trying it on. Wow, has very nice elasticity, feels very strong. And again, make sure that your nails are nicely filed before trying on your hosiery, your pantyhose, or your tights, because you really don't want to snag them. Doesn't matter how strong they are, you just don't want to have that little extra nail pulling on any of the nylon or any of the fibers in the tights. So since I've stretched it, look how long it came. So the reason why I did that is so that to make sure that it glows up nicely and it covers it, you know, it goes all the way up without being halfway down. I believe the size that I received was, yes, this is a small. All right, perfect. So I guess we should go ahead with the try on and see how these fit. All right, so it doesn't have, I don't see a front or a back. I am going to go with, I'm seeing some yellow seams. Let's see, hold on a second. I do. All right, and the gusset is basically the same. So we're gonna do the larger part of the gusset in front, but this looks, usually, yeah, they'll usually do the larger part of the gusset in front, but this looks pretty much the same on both sides. So I'm just gonna pick a side. Let's roll it up. So here it is, guys. I finally got it on. These are the beautiful tights from Hansel, from Basel, a company based in Los Angeles. And this particular pattern here is their Minerva pattern in gray. It comes small, medium, and large, these particular tights. I will tell you that it feels very comfortable on. It's not digging into my waistline or anything like that. I love the detail cotton gosset that feels very nice and silky. I love the flat seam, so it just lays flat and nice. I mean, you can definitely wear a really nice fitted outfit over this, you know, because it's basically seamless all the way around, and then it has the flat seams in the middle. So there it is. I love, love, love the pattern. I can't wait to see what it will look like with a black skirt and the black top. So let's just give it a try and see. I will have a little bit more detailed review in the blog like I discussed earlier, only because I will have more time to write a little bit more detail for you guys so you can read and find a little bit more about the company, find out where to get these particular tights. Love it. I think this is like so chic. Love the pattern. So patterns is like a great way to, you know, uplift an outfit. Pattern and colors, both. But with this particular gray one, it has, you know, like little dark details throughout with the leaf, and then the lighter color in the floral pattern. So it picks up nicely, and it really complements this black outfit. I'm sure you can wear it with a blue too, like a navy blue would look absolutely fantastic. So I have these shoes here. I wanted to see how the whole look works with this. See? Definitely a black pair of shoes. This is beautiful. So I would love to hear what you guys think. If you love it, you don't like it. I know a lot of you like the regular nylons, the ones that are skin tones, black, you know, but that's like everyday. Something like this, it's not an everyday type. I mean, it's not everyday in terms of what you see on the market. So this is not something that's going to be available next year. Whereas the nude tones and the blacks, you know, that's like a staple for all companies. Not all, for the companies that do cater to that market. But for these ones, this is like a specialty type, a statement type. And, you know, you could definitely make a huge statement with these tights. Huge fashion statement. Just beautiful, fun, adorable tights that you can wear. You can wear them every day, or you could just wear them on special occasions. It's up to you. Depends where you work. It depends where you're going. You know, you can wear them whichever way you choose to wear them. As long as you feel comfortable. That's what's important. As long as you feel comfortable. So, on that note, I'm going to close this review and try on, and I want to tell you guys to don't forget to wear more hosiery, be happy, which is so important because a lot of people are just not happy in themselves and with everything that they're doing in their lives. So it's important to be happy and go out there and show the world your personal style. So that basically means be yourself. So